All right, let's talk about the stair climber. Now, this is a machine found in most gyms. However, if you don't have one at your place, you can use regular stairs up and down those stairs because this is a great cardiovascular exercise, but it is also good for building strength and size in your lower body. Now, if I could give you one big tip for the stair climber, it would be to land and push off your foot flat footed rather than using the balls of your feet because you get better engagement of your quads and glutes. Now, also, if you want to engage the posterior chain a little better, you can lean forward slightly. However, if you're like me and you love training quads, you can stand upright more. You can also give this a bit of variability, make it interesting by stepping sideways. So you could do step sideways up for about a minute on one side and then a minute on the other side. And this is a great exercise you can incorporate into your warm-ups. I prefer to do this every day. So I do my stair climber every day, which means I train 5 to 6 days a week. I'll do 5 to 10 minutes on the stairs. And then I also do other things like push-ups, walking lunges, and then sometimes mobility exercises for my shoulders and my hips every single warm-up. Rather than trying to program a whole 60-minute day of stair climber, I like to break it up into little pieces because it's easier and more manageable like that. More tips in the description below and subscribe for more content like this. Peace.